If you need a first aid remedy for most of the ailments and you want to go the natural way, there are some foods you should have at home. And I have 4 of them that you need to have always at home in case you need urgent need to have your body restored. Number 1, always have garlic at home. Yes, you heard me. Garlic is one of your heart's best friend. Now, if you are experiencing some heart-related issues frequently, you may need to start including garlic. It's an antibacterial food. It acts like an antibiotic. It's also an antifungal spice. So you need to have it. If you're suspecting acidity, you usually have frequent toothaches and other related issues to bacteria, then you need to start chewing your garlic quickly. Number 2, you should have also the cloves. Cloves is one of the, anti-inflammatory foods that helps to fight pains, kill off bacteria, especially for your oral health. It's particularly good for your oral health. You could wake up suddenly with toothache signs or gum issues. You start using your cloves either to gargle. It reduces excess body acidity, reduces kill of bacteria and fungals. It does much. It helps to improve your digestive health, digestion, and guess what? Supports your liver function. Yes, that is the cloves. It does a lot, and so you can also have it. In the list of your first aid, you need to also have cayenne pepper. It's one of your heart's best friends. You need to have ground cayenne pepper at home. It can help prevent a heart attack. Yes, you heard me. It helps to improve blood circulation. It's one of your heart's best friend. Most of those emergency cases, those things we may call emergency at home, especially with older adults, are heart related. And so you need to have your cayenne pepper at home. Have grounded cayenne pepper. You may need it to improve your blood circulation, to improve your digestion, to support your heart. And even in case you think it's a heart attack, you may need it to help relax your arteries, supports your blood pressure, supports your blood sugar, and even much more than this. So it's one of the things you should always have at home. And the next is sea salt. Sea salt is an electrolyte, and so you need to always have sea salt at home because it can also help support your energy level, support your digestive health. If you suspect toothache or gum issues, you need to start to gargle with your sea salt. Warm water, make a tea out of it and start to gargle with it. You can even sip a little out of it. It helps to clean your colon. It does much more than this. It's giving you most of the micronutrients that you may be missing out because you are not taking multivitamins or other vitamins that can help to improve the number of micronutrients. And so if you are having sea salt at home, you can use it to improve your gut health. Ward off things like toothache, oral problems, support your heart, support your digestive health, and much more than this. That is sea salt for you. You can have it at home. And remember, if you love messages such as this, hit the follow button for more like it. Thank you for watching.